everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We are the Mighty Guru Yogurt. Oh yes, we are. Well now, the sun's coming out, look. Fantastic. It was in the forecast. I'm out today for a fairly short ride. I'm actually trying out a new bit of kit, and I'm a little bit circumspect about it, but we will see. The new piece of kit is essentially a selfie stick for an action camera that kind of clamps onto the bike in two different places. You can have it all over the place. At the moment I've got it just behind me here, filming me from behind. Yes, I think I might quite like it from behind. However, did I just say that? I did. However, I'm a little concerned that it might be a little bit too wobbly, so I'm not sure about the quality of the footage that I'm going to be getting, but we will see. I'm also a little bit paranoid about the whole damn thing falling off, but I've just ridden with it attached in position on the back seat for about 20 minutes, and it doesn't appear to have moved, and I cannot think that the extra weight of the action cam being bolted onto it is going to make that much difference. So it will be interesting to see when I stop in about 5 minutes time, just to check everything is still attached tightly. I'll show you precisely what the bit of kit is, and then as the day goes on and it gets field tested, I'll let you know what I think about it. Yes. Interesting day today then. Not really sure where I'm going at this point. You know, I'm just out riding. It's enough. But what I do know is that at about 4:30, 4:45, I shall be meeting the Murgatroyd on the shoreline of Coniston Water, because we're going kayaking. Yes, kayaking. Haven't been kayaking for quite a few months now, so I'm looking forward to that one. I'm going to ride for maybe an hour, 2 hours now, and then head back home and go out to Coniston in the camper van and meet up with the Murgatroyd. I reckon that by the time I stop, sort of just up the hill here, I will have some confidence in the matter of this camera mount staying on. I think if it were going to work loose and come off, it would have done so by now. It is more than a little bit breezy today, and so whilst I've brought Tyrone the drone with me, I'm not entirely certain he's going to be getting airborne today. We'll see in a bit. Also, I'm kind of hopeful that having a camera sticking out from the back of the bike is going to be very apparent to drivers following behind, and I'm wondering what psychological effect that is going to have on those who might ordinarily be tailgating me. We will see. It could be an added bonus. They might be like, oh no, we're being filmed, back off, back off. Time will tell. People who follow the channel will know that the Murgatroyd has what she calls holiday anxiety, and followers of the channel will also know that we're going away in less than a week's time now. and the Murgatroyd's holiday anxiety has in fact kicked in. There's really no need to be anxious. We're just flying to Barcelona and renting a motorcycle for a day. Oh yes, and in recent developments, the Murgatroyd has decided now, after just maybe a little bit of persuasion, that she is actually going to come out on the back of the Triumph Tiger 1200, which is going to be interesting. There will quite possibly be some comical scenes as she attempts to mount it. Right, so I'm going up here now for a pullover in one of my little laybys. We're going to have a few minutes lay-by lurking while I check the footage on this camera behind me and make sure the mounts are all secure. A very warm welcome to all of my new subscribers. Hello, whoever you are. And there is, as I'm getting quite bored of saying now, so I'll probably stop after this film, a whole lot more to come. Well, the camera mount is still there. It's a good sign. Well, we'll just have a jump off the bike and check things out. So here it is then. It is a Neewer, N-E-E-W-E-R GP-30, and so as you can see, you can mount an action cam on there. There's also a knurled screw for a tripod, so you can put a SLR camera, digital camera on there too. That all looks fairly secure, but you can see why I was concerned about it wobbling. It's not all that stable, but we'll see what happens. Hopefully the stabilisation in the Action 4 will counteract the little wobble that there is. So you've got two clamps, which basically you could configure to any motorcycle. You could even, I guess, go down as far as the rear footrest, but it would depend on your motorcycle. So two fairly heavy duty clamps here, and they haven't slackened off at all. The whole thing does seem to be very secure. And then you have what they call a magic mount, which is this hinged thing here, which allows you a lot of flexibility to adjust the camera angle. So I'm going to check out the footage and see if it's worth continuing to have it in the position it's in now. And after that, I'll see you when I decide where I'm going next. Stop recording.